Instacool Pro is marketed as a portable cooling device that supposedly cools rooms quickly, lowers electricity costs, and delivers powerful cooling from a compact design. But the real question is it actually better than a traditional AC? Now, to be fair, portable cooling devices are real products. Small fans and evaporative coolers can create airflow and help people feel more comfortable. What it does well: portable and lightweight. Small cooling devices are easy to move between bedrooms, desks, and workspaces. Uses less electricity than traditional AC units. Compact cooling products naturally consume less power. Where the hype falls apart, it is likely not a true air conditioner. This is the biggest issue. Many products in this category work more like evaporative coolers or fans instead of compressor-based AC systems. Cooling is usually localized. You may feel cooler near the device without significantly lowering room temperature. Room cooling claims can be unrealistic. Tiny devices generally cannot match the cooling power of traditional AC systems. So, is Instacool Pro better than traditional AC? Short answer: no. It may provide personal airflow and nearby comfort, but traditional air conditioners are designed to actually remove heat from a room. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.